Hello and welcome back to Tragic Nostalgic. This is episode 4 of my Stardew Valley Let's Play. And last time I was able to feed Chonk, the chicken, and I got a second chicken because I made a silo. I did stop when I saved, and my cat just flopped down on the floor and made a thonk sound. Um, When I saved, I woke up and everything was kind of like green, and it was raining green, so I don't know what that's going to be about. So let's find out. Hi, kitty. Okay, so there's a ton of weeds, I guess, or is that grass? Am I going to get fibers for this? I am. That's nice. Oh, a frog. I saw a frog just now. Ooh, moss. You know I love moss. Um, Whoa, I can cut down that. Why isn't my energy going down at all? Is this like rain energizing me? The acid rain? I don't know what the deal is, so I guess I won't have to water my plants now. Don't know what that sound still even is. Are you gonna make sounds that I don't even know what it means, like, well into the game? I think I'm well into the game. There's still a lot, but I think I've got things figured out. Frogs. I feel bad. Oh, look at the little froggy. Was this guy in a hazmat suit? Should I be in a hazmat suit? Like, don't mind me, Mavi. I'm just collecting some samples. This may be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Well, can I have one of those? I can shake the beanstalk. It's a giant beanstalk. Oh, I had a letter in the mail I did not open. I don't know what you can end up actually doing with fibers, but you make a lot of money off of them. Okay. Saw the weather report last night. I'm not sure what will happen, but if anyone wants to take shelter in the saloon, I'll keep it open all day. Gus. Okay. Spooky sounds. This is like turning into a horror game slowly. I'm guessing this has something to do with like the Junimos maybe? And the fairies and whatnot. I didn't know this would be like a sci-fi thriller, mystery, fantasy, whatever. Maybe I can get a hazmat suit at the saloon. There's still trees growing where there shouldn't be. Oh, there's like a green aura in here too, even. What do other people have to say about it? No customers anymore because of this green rain, and my ledger will be in the red. I want to go exploring, but I can't tell. My mom is kind of worried. How old is she? I don't want to add to her stress. I've never seen green rain before. It must not be too dangerous if you made it here. Whoa, thanks. Okay, to the saloon. I need a cutscene. I need to know what's going on here. Okay. Isn't that the doctor? I brought some medical supplies just in case. Be careful out there. Are you alright? We're all wondering what's going on. Pam. I think Pam's my favorite. It's a sign from the Almighty. We're doomed. Hey, I hope these weird rains don't bother the fish. It could ruin me life. Poor Willie. I just got off the phone with the governor. Apparently this rain is supposed to be completely harmless. Just an unusual phenomenon of nature. Still, some of the townsfolk are panicking, which is never good. I saw the weather report last night, Gus. It really gave me a scare. Whoops. Just swinging my scythe. Let's not get in a tizzy now, Gus. I suppose a round of drinks to settle the nerves. It's situations like these where a person's true character is put to the test. Well, nothing's happened to anyone yet. There must be a meaning behind this. Nature is trying to tell us something. Okay, that's probably makes the most sense out of everything. Haley, I don't think I've ever set foot in this place. It's actually kind of cozy. How could you not? There's nothing else to do. It's the only restaurant in town. Okay, so what am I supposed to do? Just like live my life out here? Thought there'd be a cutscene or some kind of reasoning. I think it might be a sign from nature the way this is going. Am I gonna catch funky fish? Ooh, I got a max there. See if it affects the fish. Nope, just a flounder. Well, I can't sell anything, and everyone's... Oh, community center. I didn't know there was this button here. Summer bundle. Oh, okay, so I'm needing a melon next. I'm not really honestly sure what to do right now. My energy hasn't gone down at all. That's weird. Ooh, what if I visit the... Let's see. The Wizard's Tower. Let's see if what happens if I visit there. You might know what's going on. I'm actually glad I've been able to so steadily post these and make these videos. Because I have seen like views go up a little. Not that it's like a big deal, and that's not what I care about. I just think it's really interesting and kind of fascinates me how that works. And I did get a comment, and I do appreciate that. And I have been getting likes and stuff. And I don't know, I just really appreciate it. Like, me doing this, I'm just doing it for myself because being able to sit down and kind of just talk is like kind of therapeutic in a way. And I've always liked watching these sort of videos, so I kind of wanted to make them too. And even if just one person sees them and gets something positive out of it, just for like a few minutes, then that makes me happy too. Like, my job is done. That's great. Though the unusual wizard, he doesn't just have a name. He said he had a name, but it didn't. It was too long. Though the usual rains may be alarming, there is nothing to fear on this day. This better not be all he has to say. Okay. I guess I'll go visit the Junimos. Does he have anything to read here? I can't really do anything. I have some... I'm getting seeds from this. Actually, maybe I should just go around cutting grass all day now. This is really helping me out. Maybe that's what it's for. Maybe that's what the fairies are helping me with. There's fairies and like little forest sprites in Junimos. Maybe there's dragons. I bet there is. I think they've mentioned mermaids. So maybe there's like a little water nymph or something. Let's hope. This game has gone in a direction I never would have imagined. And so fast, too. So it makes me wonder what else there's going to be. I just wish I had like a... What is... Okay, so the sounds are getting like more... like often. What if I shake some of the trees and stuff? Because when I was like tripping on that mushroom soup, I like hallucinated trees in the game. What is that? Pine cone? And so I'm wondering if like checking out the trees kind of does something. Mixed flower seeds. This is awesome. Poor frog. If I go... See, I can click there, but nothing quite happens. Oh, I could go into the mines. I forgot about the mines. That in the last video, I did discover the mines. Okay, this is my place. Cut down some of the weeds, because apparently weeds destroying your crops, even though they're not near it, is a thing. So cut down on those. Man, I am loving these seeds. I thought I just heard footsteps, but okay, that was me. This is kind of creeping me out. I never thought this game would creep me out. It's kind of more weird when I did not expect this at all. And I saw the hazmat suit. I'm like, he's not just handing those out either. He's just keeping those to himself. It's like, don't mind me while you're out in the acid rain, completely exposed. And he's the scientist. Thanks a lot. Let's check on Chonk and the gang. Ooh, it's all green in here. Chonk is trying to sleep. Oh, Cha-Cha. Cha-Cha is trying to sleep. That's what I named her. They're both girls, and Chonk is trying to sleep. They're always trying to sleep. I hope they're okay. Ooh, melons. So I can give that to the Junimos. They're not ready yet. Soon, though. Okay, so I'm gonna plant. Maybe I can cut some of this down. I kind of feel bad, though. I'm gonna plant some of these mixed seeds for now, since I have like endless energy for some reason. Unless using your scythe doesn't use much energy, and I just never noticed. More spooky sounds. Okay, that's flowers. Mixed flower seeds. Mixed normal seeds. Hopefully, since these are basically come from weeds, they don't hurt my crop. I want to plant the flowers around my house. And around my cat's little spot there. I feel like my cat should have a house. I noticed Sabastian wasn't at the saloon. want to cut down this tree so I can add more decorations to my cat's little layout here. Ooh, I've got more ideas. You've got some new ideas to sleep on. Okay, so I guess I got more recipes. Unless I figured out the acid rain situation, which I doubt. Okay, too close to the outskirts there. Plant a few through here. I don't know if this tree was gonna stay here because it was already there or not. Ooh, I'm getting tired. Okay, it's 12 a.m. Didn't know that much time passed. I guess I'll sell my fibers tomorrow. I will plant some of these seeds now to give them a head start. Hopefully I don't pass out. That was a really productive day. Okay, so hopefully I figure out something. Ooh, new crafting recipe. Mushroom log. That's so cute. It's a decoration. A tapper. I don't know what that's supposed to do. Oh, and wild seeds. Sue. Wonder what that's supposed to mean. Like everything's just perfectly normal now. I guess I'll go talk to the wizard and the scientist to see if there's anything. No mail from the governor or nothing. Ooh, melons. Okay, so now... Nope, they're not ready. I think it takes like 12 days or something crazy. I have so many trees, so much to clear out still. I should really be planting more than I have been. I've been more focused on... I think I've been using most of my energy fishing. And then, of course, the past couple days, the mines. But I'll get there. Plus, I don't know what to do with all these logs at the moment. I don't know what buildings I should build next, since it hasn't really guided me, other than the animal coop that I couldn't feed my animals because it didn't tell me to build a silo. I guess I want to focus on getting more animals. I definitely want cows. It's such a bummer I missed the spring Junimo gift thing by just one flower. Okay, it's 8 a.m. So here in a bit I'll go to... Hi, kitty! Come here, kitty! This is my kitty. I love my boy. His name is Prince. Yes, he visits me. He plays games with me. Alright. Sebastian. There's Sebastian. What do I say? What can I give him? Gold Star Flounder, maybe? River Jelly? Where are you going? Okay, hi. Hi. What's the point of going outside? I've already seen it all. Yeah, you've said that before. One of those, huh? Let's see. I feel that. Small town. Maybe some river jelly will cheer you up. I hate this. How could you hate this? It gives you like max energy. It gives you what the fish. You've already. Right. Well, like he hates it. Nobody's ever said they hate anything to me. So that was embarrassing. Of all the things. Okay. I could have gone with a golden flounder, but no, it had to be the river jelly. But it made so much, like, it boosts your energy, like, all of these benefits. It just made sense. I mean, he liked coffee. And river jelly's way healthier. I mean, you can see that. Well, I might as well just go to bed now and cry into my pillow. Hey, what's up? Looking at stars there? Yeah, I like doing that too. It's hard to really grasp the scale of the universe. Yeah, you're cool. Oh, that's for me? I'll just put it over here. She looks disappointed with my gift. What else do people want? Here, have a radish. No, oh, come on. Thank you. This is a very interesting specimen. At least someone appreciates my gifts. Well, my energy's low. I guess I'll just go to bed for now. It was a disappointing day. Got some farming done at least. I need my emotional support cat. Oh, he mentioned the caves here. Nothing. Alright, I guess we'll be done tomorrow. I really need to take care of, like, clear this out, make things look a little nicer. Where's the chickens? Are they inside? Maybe I should, to make them feel safe, close the little door. Nighthawk. Where were you going, huh? You itchy? Okay. So yes, I have a black cat in Stardew Valley and a black cat in real life, as always. Okay. Go to Perrier's, Paris, whatever. Go to the seed store. Can I cut down stuff through here? Because that's kind of obnoxious. Oh, I can. So, like, the whole town is... I can just do whatever I want. That's really cool. What is that? Is that... something dead? Pirate hat. Yes! Nice! We got a little pirate hat. Sweet. I want to dress like a pirate. That's my new goal. I've got my water and my coffee. I'm gonna see what building I need next. Oh, Guy, did you figure out anything? Make sure to water your plants every day. Okay. Said that before. Many times. I guess we're just gonna ignore the acid rain. Kind of want to sell this bait because I just haven't learned how to attach it to a fishing rod, that's all. Mossy seed. No, I'm keeping that. It's so hard because I want like a treasure chest or something. Like a chest to keep my stuff. But there's just not that option. Oh, you don't want my fibers? I thought that was for sale. Upgrade backpack. I kind of like a separate chest though. So 36 slots. I mean, that would be nice. Maybe that should be my next goal. Because I want to keep these mossy seeds. This can be planted to grow rare wild trees. Okay, I'll just plant those now. I need some seeds. I think I'm going to make today just like a farming day. What have I not quite grown yet? Flowers. Hops. That sounds cool. Corn. Already have that. And tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Don't want to spend all my money. I am going to profit. Hi, what do you have to say, Lewis? Well, that was quite the excitement for our little town. I'm just relieved that everyone is okay. Yeah, he's the only one acknowledging it now. And just like that, everything's back to normal. It's like magic. Yep. Can I go in these people's house? Can. What do you have to say? Well, looks like we all got scared for nothing. The rain was totally harmless. No one noticed it was like a jungle, like it was like a frog kingdom there for a bit, though. Hey, farmer. So I stopped by. I gotta learn how to pronounce it. Pears. I'll try. The other day and bought a hot pepper. My brain today. The praise just got me just all. I brain fumbled. It was the first time I've seen one of those there in a while. Wonder if it's because I haven't been growing them. I cooked it up for dinner last night. Why is she sad now? It filled the house with a different odor. I don't even want to know where Puri found that thing. What's wrong with my hot peppers? I mean, that's gotta be mine, right? I hope Demetrius is happy with the samples he collected. Didn't seem to act like anything happened. Seems like his little science project is more important to him than his own wife. Probably shouldn't just volunteer that information. Please, does not. Don't. I don't want to know that. Alright, we're just gonna smooth through that. Hey, how about you go do Pilates with your wife in there? Although, if you're using water retaining soil, you don't need to worry about watering as often. Okay, seems like he's more worried about my farm than anything. What else is there to do? I'm gonna go back and plant my plants. I look like a pirate. I chose the perfect fit for it. Squirrel. Ooh, okay, yeah, inventory full. That makes sense. Gotta water my cat. I've actually gotta water everything. Inventory full. I'll sell some fibers to the man that goes through my trash every night. Guess I won't need clay anytime soon. I don't know what to do with this river jelly. I guess I could eat it. I'll just... Oh, okay, thank God. I'll just eat it now. Nice. It made my energy bar... You can't see it. Now it's up to 300. It, like, made the whole thing bigger. I hate the sound of those flies. Cannot think with it. Can't wait till summer's over, just like real life. I want winter. I want clouds and on and off rain. I'll plant my hops or whatever down here. Ooh, neat. Corn through here. Ooh, I bet the like crows are really gonna come. I do need to make a scarecrow. I'll plant them next to this little guy right here, this statue, as like a little offering. Maybe he'll come to life. Maybe his little gem will glow or something. I don't know what ends up happening here. I hate these giant stumps. Sure. I'll just plant them randomly through here. Okay. Well, yeah, I didn't have to do that with trees. All right. I have so much more to water. It's getting dark though. I do want to go to the saloon real quick, see if Sebastian's there. Okay, 8 p.m. to the saloon. Oh, my speed is up or something up there. 30 plus max energy. Source river jelly. Duration 3 more minutes. Okay, nice. Wait, does that mean in 3 minutes I'm just gonna pass out? I'll grab some spaghetti at the saloon. Anyone I want to talk to? No, nobody's here. I'll chat with Pam real quick. Well, I guess the end times haven't come just yet, kid. I mean, I don't know what green rain, like, where that's supposed to. We have the, like, northern lights. It's kind of the same mysterious principle that people don't really consider. Ooh, I love the sound of like the nighthawks or whatever, the little nighttime birds. I want to be able to stay up later. But for now, I have things to do. I'm a busy farmer here. I need to be responsible and go to bed early. Okay. Oh, hello. Demetrius. Hi, Mabby. I have some good news for you. A few days ago, I made a breakthrough in my research on the local environment. I'll spare you the technical details. No, give me the technical details. There's not enough dialogue. And get to the point. You know that empty cave you have over in the cliffs? Yes. Well, I have a way to turn it into something useful for the both of us. I'd like to set up the cave to attract some local species. That way I can observe them. That's interesting. I thought it was just going to be my own personal mines or something. Observe them in a more controlled environment, and you can harvest whatever products they produce. This is cool. I can either set up the cave to attract mushrooms or fruit bats. The bats will sometimes leave fruit for you to collect. Oh, man, bats or fruit? That is the toughest decision of my life right there. Or bats or mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I love bats, but mushrooms are just kind of like everywhere. Bats genuinely need homes, like, in the world. They are good for the everything, the environment. I am going with bats. Alright, I'll go set it up for you right now. It shouldn't take any time at all. Cool. Thanks for letting me do this. This is so random. I never know what to expect. Okay. Guess I'll just water my plants now after that. My garden is so chaotic. Not organized at all. Melon's still not ready. Hopefully today, like literally today, I can get the last melon to the Junimos. Let's see what happens there. I don't want to get rid of my moss yet because I feel like I'm gonna need that. I want to get to building soon. Okay, I think that's all I can harvest for now. I'll go check on the chickies. What does this little door do? I can let them out! Well, no wonder they were so unhappy. Someone should have told me. Yes, she's angry. She's angry. What do I do? Aw. Poor things. They've been. She was just stuck inside her entire life. No food. That's terrible. Poor Chonk and Cha Cha. All right, well, that's going to be it for today. Got a lot done, got through the acid rain, and we'll see next time there will be the bat caves. So that'll be interesting. Um, Thanks for watching. Even if you skipped around the video, I still really appreciate it. I know, like, some people that's frowned upon or something, but I think it's really useful. Um, Thanks for checking it out. Bye.